Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Samsung Galaxy M53. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. And write Google Classroom. It's this app right here, we can install it. And after installation process be complete, we can open our app, click on Get Started. From here, choose the already existing account to be used for this classroom or add another one. I'm gonna use the already existing one. Press OK. From here, press on this plus button and then join class. Here you will need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering the class code, click join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.